No, cutting pothole edges perfectly square is not strictly necessary for effective repair. When preparing pothole edges, aim to create as clean and firm a boundary as you can without spending excessive time chasing perfect geometry. Remove loose debris, vegetation, and standing water, and then compact the base so the patch material sits on solid support. Use a tamper or a heavy tool and work in short bursts to get good compaction. If you can square the edges, that improves the mechanical interlock and helps new material bond to old pavement, but minor irregularities are fine provided the surrounding material is stable and sound. For cold patch repairs, break off flaky edges and feather the new material into the existing surface by applying thin lifts and compacting each layer. Avoid dumping one thick layer which traps voids. When using hot mix techniques, heat the edges briefly to improve compatibility and press the new material firmly into the perimeter so there is no gap. Always finish by compacting the surface until it is flush with the roadway to reduce water infiltration and edge deterioration. Common mistakes include leaving loose or soft material at the edges, which causes the patch to fail quickly, so always clean and harden the perimeter before placing material. Another issue is inadequate compaction, which leads to settling and pothole reappearance. So compact in layers and use a weight appropriate to the material and depth. A third concern is overcutting or spending too much time trying to create a perfectly square hole, which wastes labor and delays repair. Do as much squaring as practical, focus on removing unsound material, and remember, minor unevenness will not prevent a durable repair. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and tools for planning repairs like edge preparation and pothole patching, and we host a discussion community where members share tips and experiences. Our site helps contractors find work by letting them present services and engage with neighborhood projects and homeowner questions.